Two powerful e-commerce tools, each promising to launch your online store to new heights. Which one really delivers? On the left, Squarespace Commerce, the all-in-one site builder famed for stunning design. On the right, Ecwid, seamless e-commerce ready to embed on any website or channel. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map on how we're going to compare these two. We're going to break down pricing, e-commerce features, website design, integrations, ease of use, and how well you can scale and grow. So, yep, pretty much everything you care about when it comes to choosing your store setup. Okay, first up, pricing. Squarespace Commerce, super straightforward. It's actually cheaper if you're just focused on the core plans, which is sweet. Plus, you get unlimited products and 0 transaction fees once you're on a paid tier. But, and there's always a but, you don't get a true free plan. There's only a 14-day free trial. So, if you're super committed to not spending up front, that might bug you a little. Now, Ecwid, on the other hand, I gotta call out the free plan. Yep, you can legit sell 5 products forever. No payment needed. Their plans grow with you. And if you pay annually, you get some nice discounts. Sure, it gets pricier once you move up, and frankly, the feature access is a little patchy unless you're on higher tiers. Still, if you're looking for max flexibility, Ecwid's tempting. But for bang for buck, Squarespace sneaks in as the winner. Onto the e-commerce features. This is the juicy stuff. Squarespace Commerce covers most bases. You can sell physical, digital, services, even subscriptions. Analytics are pretty solid, and product setup is a breeze. One thing though, it's kinda limited once you get into payment gateways and handling serious bulk edits or complicated tax stuff. So if you're dreaming bigger, you might hit a wall. Ecwid though, dang, it packs a punch. You can go totally nuts with product types, customize all the things, batch edit till your brain is fried, and pick from like 70 plus payment gateways. Oh, and here's something cool, multi-channel commerce, even headless integration. So you're everywhere at once. It's a powerhouse, even if building content-rich sites isn't its strong suit. Winner here, Ecwid, hands down. Let's talk website builder and design. Squarespace is pretty much the poster child for gorgeous site templates. Seriously, just picking one makes you look like you hired a fancy designer. The drag and drop interface, super intuitive, everything is responsive and slick. Honestly, the only real hiccup is you're stuck with some template limits. Like back-end customizations aren't endless, and switching templates isn't a walk in the park. Now, Ecwid's a little different. It's all about slotting into your existing site with widgets. You get nice options for product pages and categories, but I'll be honest, their native builder is kind of meh. It's just not set up for big content-driven sites. So yeah, Squarespace totally takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Ecwid stands for e-commerce widget. Yep, it started out as this little tool you could drop into any website. Super clever, right? Next up, integrations and extensions. Squarespace is solid here. Sure, you get the classics like Printful and QuickBooks and ShipStation for shipping, so your basics are absolutely covered. But there's a catch. Only about 45 extensions. That's kind of limiting if you want to go wild. Ecwid though, over 300 apps. You can automate, market, ship, and sell everywhere. Facebook, Insta, Google, even IRL with POS systems. You can seriously plug this thing into pretty much anything. Heads up though, some premium apps will eat into your budget. But honestly, that ecosystem is huge. Winner? That's Ecwid. Ease of use. Do you want setup fast or fancy? Squarespace walks you through things super smoothly, especially if you're design first. The onboarding is legit helpful. But if you try to hack the layouts too much, things can get kinda messy, especially if you already have a site somewhere else. Ecwid's reputation for speed is wild. You can literally be selling online in minutes and embed your shop wherever you want. They even flex their G2 award for ease of use, and I kinda get it. Just don't fall down the rabbit hole of settings if you're a total newcomer. Still, Ecwid wins for straight-up speed and flexibility. Last category, scalability and growth. Squarespace totally works for small and mid-sized stores and is really stable. But, and I mean, this is a big deal, when you try to scale up with tax or shipping, or want to go global or multi-channel, those limitations pop up fast. Ecwid was literally built for omni-channel selling. Toss your store on any website you want, online or offline, social, Google, you name it. The only gotcha, if your site grows into some massive content machine, Ecwid's built-in stuff can feel a little thin. But still, for sheer growth options and spreading everywhere, Ecwid's the clear winner. So visually, if you stacked these two on a radar chart, you'd see Squarespace spiking in design and cost effectiveness, but Ecwid just stretching wide on features, integrations, scalability, and pure flexibility. It's kind of wild seeing how different their strengths are. Bottom line, Squarespace Commerce is the go-to if you care about looking good and keeping it simple, especially if your brand just needs a beautiful home. If you want to sell everywhere and play with advanced features, Ecwid is seriously hard to beat. Both are awesome, but I'd lean Ecwid if flexibility and growth top your list. If this breakdown helped, make sure you stick around for more deep dive product battles. And hey, if you want something even more personalized for your business, hit follow. We'll help you find your perfect platform match next.